What is up, J-Squads? It is J-Skills here, and today may sobrang mainit na balita tungkol sa Black's Fruit, okay? So, kung hindi nyo pa alam, ang Black's Fruit ay naglabas ng kanilang blog or kanilang bulletin kung saan ay maglalapag sila ng iba't ibang balita tungkol sa mga upcoming updates at sa mga random things about Black's Fruit. So bago natin yan simulan, make sure to subscribe in this channel and let's hit 20k before this month's end, okay? So, yeah, tignan natin yung Black's Fruit Bulletin. So, ito na, the Black's Bulletin. Number 1. Na-release kahapon, March 20, 2025. A new chapter unfolds. Welcome to our first edition. Nice! So, whoa! What is this? Turtle Island under siege by falling stars. Whoa, what is that? So, basahin natin. The skies over Turtle Island have been anything but normal. Fiery meteors are crashing down, shaking the ground before vanishing without a trace. Yo, what is this? Some resident claims the air feels heavier, as if the island itself is shifting. Yo, parang may magbabago sa Turtle Island or what But basahin natin to Fiery meteors are crashing down. Ano yun? This is gonna be a new gravity update dahil fiery meteors. Like, look at this. And someone is attacking the Turtle Island. So, basahin pa natin. Adding to the mystery, a hooded figure. Okay, where's the hooded figure? Can we see a hooded figure here? Zoom natin. Can we see a hooded figure? No. But we can see a meteors, no? Nakikita natin yung meteors ay nalalaglag sa Turtle Island and the Turtle Island looks struggling. But, as we can see, yun nga, meteors parang may umaatake sa Turtle Island. Let's read more. Adding to the mystery, a hooded figure has been spotted near the impact site, disappearing before anyone can get close. No one knows their intention, but rumors are spreading. Is this a strange phenomenon or is something powerful approaching? Yo, what is this? Basahin natin ulit. Is this a strange phenomenon or is something powerful is approaching? Let's highlight this one. Or is something powerful is approaching? So as we can see, if we visit the game right now, so kung pupunta tayo sa game right now and we go to the menu, shop, open fruit shop, we can see, let's scroll down a bit. Okay, makikita natin yan. Nasaan na? Gravity Fruit is in progress. Yo, we cannot buy it. Coming soon. And makikita natin, di ba? Makikita natin yung Gravity Fruit is a meteor. So, there is a Gravity Fruit rework coming soon. Yo, that is crazy. So guys, Gravity Fruit rework is coming soon. And sobrang excited na ako na makita yon. And let's see nga kung may natira pa tayong Gravity. Kasi galit ako sa Gravity dati. Wala na akong Gravity Fruit. So, magbasa pa tayo dito sa Black's Bulletin. So, ito yung, I think this is about the Gravity update. Yeah. Ito, asking the developers. The developers ay sinasagot na yung mga tanong ng mga fans ng Black's Fruit kung will anything be done about the lag spikes in C3? What about the current PvP meta? Which Black Fruits are being added or reworked? And will there be ever a fourth C? So yan, so makita natin, sumasagot si Indra, si My Game tama ba? Si My Game, and then Indra again. And what's this? Fruit Showdown, Poachers get defeated. In a dramatic showdown, the Rangers of Wilderness have successfully arrested a notorious gang of poachers who have been targeting rare wildlife. Yo, what is that? So, dito makikita natin the long road to Dragon, why the update took so long. So, ito, dito i-explain ni Admin Uzoth kung anong nangyari, kung bakit naging matagal yung proseso sa Dragon Fruit update last December. So, yan, dito kung babasahin natin yan lahat, malalaman natin kung ano talaga yung nangyari. So, this was made by Shafi. So, only the most daring pirates can claim this legend. Oh, magkakaroon ba tayo ng kotse sa Black's Fruit na? Tapos na ba ang boats era? Magkakaroon na ba tayo ng kotse? But yeah, okay, I think meron tayong na-miss out dun sa vlog. Okay, so let's go back here, the Black's Bulletin. So, asa ba yan? So, I think this one, okay, this is crazy, okay? I think this one is gonna be a Falcon rework, okay? Falcon rework. As we can see, meron siyang parang pakpak yung pakpak ng ibon. So, anong fruit ba ang may pakpak ng ibon? No other than falcon fruit. So, I think this thing, yung binasa natin kanina na Fruit Showdown, Poachers Get Defeated is about the Falcon rework. So, hindi pa tayo sure dyan, pero I think there's gonna be a Falcon rework. And, eto pa, if we read this blog from Usot, so, The Long Road to the Dragon update, why the update took so long. So, basahin natin. The flames of the Dragon Talon Academy have burned brighter than ever. But behind the scenes, the journey to this update has been anything but easy. Okay, so hindi daw naging madali ang journey ng Dragon Talon Academy nung last Dragon update. So, once we confirmed Dragon was next, all eyes were on it. So nung in-announce daw nila na yung Dragon Fruit nga i-update na nila, lahat ng tao ay nag-expect na magkakaroon ng Dragon update. So, meaning we couldn't release anything other fruits or major content without players demanding Dragon first. So, dahil nga nasabi na nila na Dragon na yung next, ay hindi na sila makapag-release ng iba't iba pang fruit rework or anything new to the game because yung mga tao ay nagde-demand na ilabas muna nila yung Dragon before anything else. So, let's read more. The fruit itself went through multiple remakes as we kept refining every detail to make it truly legendary. Unfortunately, some mismanagement of such a massive update led to further delays. So, ito na yung rason. Ito na yung rason kung bakit na-delay yung Dragon update last time. So, multiple remakes and mismanagement. Let's read more. But there's a good news. Okay, nice. While Dragon was in the works, we made huge progress on other parts of the game. So, habang ginagawa nila yung Dragon update, ay may ginawa din silang ibang progress or may nagawa din silang ibang progress sa iba't ibang sectors ng game or sa iba't ibang parts ng game. So, now we're finally ready to start rolling out that content beginning with 3 complete reworks. Yo, basahin natin ulit. 3 complete reworks. And the first rework na na-confirm is the control rework. And now, we have speculation na magkakaroon ng gravity rework. And this is the third rework na I think lalabas, and that is the Falcon rework. Because as we can see, meron nga ditong Falcon feathers. Okay, so let's finish the blog of Admin Uzoth. And that's not all. Beyond Fruits, we've been developing a game-changing feature that will improve the experience for all players. That is nice. Something I personally find really exciting, and while it's not ready just yet, I think when the time comes, it'll be worth the wait. Nice. So basically, magkakaroon tayo ng bagong tatlong reworks, and I think that is the gravity update and then the control. Okay, control rework. Tapos, and the final rework na I think sinasabi ni Admin Uzot is gonna be the Falcon, which is, look, feather. And if we check again here, feather. So, yeah, feather from Falcon and feather from this picture. So, I think it's gonna be the Falcon rework. So, ayun guys. So, magkakaroon nga tayo ng bagong fruit update, and it's not gonna be the control fruit yet. So, I think hindi pa siya lalabas sa next update. Pero, sa next update, we might get a gravity fruit update. So, big W. So, guys, I think kailangan na natin mag-trade ng gravity at ipunin na yon. Okay? Dahil for sure magiging maganda tong gravity up. So, yeah, maraming salamat sa panonood. Magkita-kita tayo muli sa susunod na araw. And hanggang sa muli, paalam!